guys. Hope you guys are doing well. And for today, I just want to make this video this way, okay? Because my clients had little issues, and I just want to use acoustic to make this video for you because it's been a while, okay? It's been a while. I drop a video on my channel, so I want you to work on this video. It's gonna help you, okay? It's gonna help you and also enhance your playing as well. So sorry for not showing my face. I decided to make this video like this, but I believe you can uh, work on it. It will help you, okay? It will help you on your speed. So I want you to train this multiple times. I want you to train this as much as you can. I want you to train this often. When you train this often, you're going to increase your speed level. You're going to increase your speed level while you are soloing, while you are playing, okay? Also, I don't want to waste most of the time. If this is the first time you're watching my video, sorry for not seeing my face. By the next video, you're going to see my face. I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Then turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I drop a couple of videos like this, okay? That's going to enhance and benefit you, okay? Alright, if you like the video, you can smash the like button. If you have any challenges, you can drop it on the comment section. I would really appreciate it. What I want to show you is very simple. When you apply it, okay, when you train it multiple times, you're gonna see the result, okay, in your speed level. So I want you to do this lesson in the key of F. This is the key of F. I believe you guys know on the road now. This is the key of F. Okay. Okay. One of the things I want you to know is speed comes through hard playing and the way you rehearse often. But at least you need to have a particular thing you rehearse on so that it can increase your speed level. Okay. You need to have a particular thing you. Okay. You need to have what you train and that to enhance your speed level. So I want you to start training something like this, your chromatic okay. Okay, I want you to train that chromatic on a different shape, okay, on a different fretboard. Like this is a root, you play your do, di, re, mo, okay. You play your 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but another thing you need to know is while you're playing, try and make sure you are playing an alternate picking. I made a lesson on that. Try and play your alternate picking, okay? What I mean by alternate picking is your down-up stroke. You know, a lot of people, they play like this. No, that is not advisable, okay? That is not advisable. The best way you can play is playing down-up stroke, something like this. Okay, look at my finger, down, up. I pick the string down, pick it up again, from under, okay, on top and under, okay. Okay, that is one of the things that will help you, okay, have more speed. So you need to try and learn how to play alternate picking, okay. So when you play from here, when you play from your 6th string, you come down to the 2nd fret on your 5th string now. You play, okay, the same thing. Okay, then you come down to your 4th string, 3rd fret. Okay, you shift 1 fret and play the same thing. come down to your third string now. You shift one fret and play the same thing. Okay? Come down to your second string now on the fifth fret and play the same thing. A kind of a chromatic. Okay? Now come down to your sixth fret on your first string and play the same thing. Okay? Okay, you play and play the same thing, okay? Then go up again. The way you play down, okay? Da, 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 da. Then you shift one fret again. Then you shift one fret again to the third string now. Then you shift another fret to the fourth string now. Then you shift another fret to the fifth string now. The way you came, you come down. The way you came down, okay. Then you shift another fret to your sixth string now. The way you came down, okay. So if you keep practicing that on a daily basis, okay, you see your fingers getting used to more speed, okay. 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 So if you keep practicing that on a daily basis, you see your fingers getting used to it. But at first, you need to practice it slowly, okay, beat by beat, slowly. Okay, come down to your fifth string, come down to your fourth string, come down to your third string, come down to your second string, come down to your fourth string now. Okay? Okay, so if you keep practicing that, you're going to see your fingerings, okay, changing. Try that multiple times, you're going to see the result, okay? Okay? Alright guys, so if you like the video, smash the like button like I said, okay? If you have any comment, any suggestion, you can drop it on the comment section. I would really appreciate it. Okay? Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.